Hello everyone, once again. In the second video of Python, we'll discuss about the advantages of it. What are the advantages of Python? So initially, it is very easy to use. As I told you in previous video, in introductory video also, it has very simple syntax rules. The basic funda is the logic part must be of programmer, but the syntax will be the part of programming language. So very less syntax we'll have to use. It's a programmer's friendly language, we can say. और प्रोग्रामर फ्रेंडली लैंग्वेज कौन सी होगी? वो जिसमें सिंटैक्स कम से कम हो. So it is easy to use programming language. Second is expressive language. Expressive in the sense कि where the statements expresses themselves. It is more capable to expressing the code's purpose basically. I'll show you here a comparative example of C++ and Python to solve a single problem. So both of the first advantages will be clear for you. One is easy to use and other one is expressive language. So I'm going to write here the programming code. Of C++ and here of Python. The program that I am going to write is simple, swapping the values of two variables. The program is swapping the values of two variables. This variable term we will discuss later on in detail. बेसिकली वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि दो वैल्यूज को स्वैप कर देना है. Even I forget to write the syntaxes here. This is a code in C++ by which we can swap the values. As if A and B are 10 and 20, this statement I have written, these three statements will swap the values as A equals to 20 and B equals to 10. And here the print statements by which the values will be printed. When we print A, it will print 20. When we print B, it will show 10. Now, the same code I am writing in Python. Over. We can write the print statement here. That's all. The same. There is no need to include the library. This is called a library here. No need to write a basic function. Not needed. No need to place the curly braces as syntax. No need to place semicolons in with each and every statement. This is the power of Python. That's why I am telling you it is easy to use and expressive language. इसको देख के आपको ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा इनिशियली इफ यू आर अ नॉन प्रोग्रामर कि यहाँ स्वैपिंग क्या प्रोग्राम बना है, बट यहां पर देख के, इस स्टेटमेंट को देख के यू कैन से कि व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, a कॉमा b इक्वल्स टू b कॉमा a, बता सकता है कोई. सो दिस इज एन एक्सप्रेसिव लैंग्वेज and easy to use you can say. It is looking at expressive, so anyone can tell you that this is the statement which is going to swap the values, but here you cannot say. So Python is easy to use and an expressive language. Interpreted language means the Python to execute the instructions compiler को यूज नहीं करता, it uses interpreter. Interpreter and compiler we have discussed earlier in your theory chapters. Compiler converts the whole code into machine language at once and show the errors by their line numbers. Interpreter converts line by line, every line. Once the line is written, if it is syntactically correct, then next line, then next line. जब आप प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट कराते हो तो लाइन बाय लाइन द इंटरप्रेटर विल चेक इट एंड वेयरएवर इट फाउंड्स एरर विल स्टॉप इंटरप्रेटिंग इट. उसको इंटरप्रेट करना रोक देता है until you are not solving that error. So it does not interpret every time you run the program. Every time when you run the program, the compiler will take memory. It is interpreted. It is interpreted language, not the compiled language. I am telling you. It means that the Python interprets and executes the code line by line at a time. It makes Python an easy to debug the language. It is easy. कि एक statement मुझे पता चल गया कि this statement is wrong, I can make it correct. But पूरा program, this is a very small program written here. If the program is of 500 lines and at the end I found 20 errors with their line number, and logically every line is related with the previous one and every line affects the next statement. In case of making logics, मैंने अगर किसी लाइन में कोई चेंज किया, it will affect later on. So Python uses interpreter every way. The line which is wrong to be correct, then you can move on. This is interpreted language. Next is its completeness. Completeness, we can say it has a very rich library. आपको एडिशनल लाइब्रेरीज को इंस्टॉल करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, ऐड करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं. It has very rich library. जैसे here IOStream is a compulsory header file to run C++ programs. But if I need to clear the screen, I need CLR/SCL. If I need to use strings, then string.h. If I need to use characters, then stdio.h. Means for every new purpose, for every new logic, we have to include the header files in C++. But Python never requires it. For the beginners, you never need to include any of the library. It has a very rich set which works by default for you, जो आपके लिए by default काम करता है. हाँ, in some cases we need to import some of the libraries, so it is one or two, not more than that, as a beginner purpose. तो it's a complete programming language जो कि प्रोग्रामर के लिए आसानी क्रिएट करती है, ईज क्रिएट करती है. राइटिंग द हेडर फाइल इज ऑल्सो कंटेन्स द सिंटेक्स, है ना. तो सिंटेक्स को कम से कम करने के लिए इट हैज अ रिच लाइब्रेरी व्हिच वर्क्स अपॉन द प्रोग्रामर्स ईज. क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म लैंग्वेज, क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म लैंग्वेज. Cross platform because कि पाइथन कैन रन यूनिकली ऑन वेराइटी ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स। आप विंडोज पर रन कराइए, लाइनक्स पे, यूनिक्स पे, मैक पर, एंड्रॉइड पर, इट कैन वर्क। बट C++ के साथ ऐसा नहीं है। इट हैज डिपेंडेंसी, बट यहां पर डिपेंडेंसी नहीं है। इट्स अ क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म लैंग्वेज, फ्री एंड ओपन सोर्स। You can download Python from the authentic source free of cost. I suggest you to download Python from python.org. उसका वर्जन डाउनलोड करिए अपने कंप्यूटर पर so that we can start working. Variety of uses and applications. Number of applications में Python का यूज हो सकता है. The major we can say scripting. Web scripting, Django. I'm writing one name, that is Django. Django, D silent here. Django is a web framework supported by Python. Of Python we can say. आप वेबसाइट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, स्क्रिप्टिंग कर सकते हैं, प्रोटोटाइपिंग you can do, web applications we can create, right? GUI programs we can make, graphical programs. It is not easier here to include the graphics. For that also we have to include the header file graphics.h, और उसके बाद multiple of functions we have to use. So GUI programs we can make, gaming applications we can make, database applications. We learn in your own syllabus how to connect Python with SQL. SQL connectivity with Python. So SQL is a database, RDBMS. So SQL को Python से connect हम करेंगे, so that database applications we can make. System administrations से related applications we can create. So in variety of uses we can use Python programming language. Python is a very improved or advanced programming language which is available nowadays. We can say कि Python जब हम सीख रहे हैं रूट लेवल पर, बिगिनर लेवल पर, तो आपको बस सिंटेक्स बहुत ध्यान से सीखते जाना है. वेरी लेस सिंटेक्स आई एम टेलिंग यू. रूल्स स्टार्टिंग में बहुत ध्यान से सीखते चले जाना है. इट विल बी वेरी इजियर फॉर यू टू बी अ प्रोग्रामर लेटर ऑन. जब हम पाइथन पर काम करना शुरू करते हैं, स्टार्टिंग वर्किंग अपॉन पाइथन, तो पाइथन के केस में वी विल हैव टू विंडोज. One and two. This is, we can say, interactive mode, and this is, we can say, script mode. Difference क्या है? Interactive mode contains a prompt, Python prompt. Look at these three greater than symbol. Python prompt. What is a prompt? Prompt, a symbol, is a symbol which waits for an instruction, which allows you to write an instruction. एक इंस्ट्रक्शन हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पर, उसका रिजल्ट हमें मिलेगा एंटर करते. मीन्स दिस इज इंटरैक्टिव मोड. इंटरैक्टिव इन द सेंस, मैंने कुछ पूछा, आपने कुछ पूछा, मैंने जवाब दिया, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरेक्शन. ठीक है ना? ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम पूरी क्लास से सारे क्वेश्चंस ले लें और उसके बाद एक आंसर दें. नो, दैट इज नॉट एन इंटरेक्शन, प्रॉपर इंटरेक्शन. इंटरेक्शन मीन्स when you are asking, I am telling you. So interactive mode means one statement is written, its answer. Second statement is written, that's answer. Third statement written, its answer. That is interactive. But when we are trying to make a whole program, जब मुझे एक पूरा प्रोग्राम बनाना है, then that program is made in script mode. Here the whole program is written. It will be saved by .py. This is the extension of Python files. .py. जब हम इसको .py से सेव कर देंगे, then after we are going to execute, then interpreter will start working. यहां पर क्या हुआ, अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स आई विल राइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ प्रोग्राम एंड दैट प्रोग्राम विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. व्हाट वी डिड, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड वन स्क्रिप्ट, we have written one script and that script will be executed. हम उस स्क्रिप्ट को एग्जीक्यूट करने जा रहे हैं. इंटरैक्टिव मोड जिसमें एक एक स्टेटमेंट को आंसर किया गया. इट इज हैविंग द प्रॉम्प्ट, बट स्क्रिप्ट मोड में कोई भी प्रॉम्प्ट नहीं होता. इट इज अ ओपन पेज फॉर यू, जहां पर आप पूरा प्रोग्राम लिखोगे एंड दैट होल प्रोग्राम विल बी executed later on. Is that clear? So by two ways we can use the Python window. My suggestion is to download Python ideally. Interactive mode where the prompt is there and script mode where the whole program will be written. कब मुझे क्या चीज यूज करनी है that we will discuss later on, है ना. Here if we will write 2 plus 5 it will show you the answer 7. Simple. When you enter here, when you write 2 plus 5, then you will have to save. System will treat it as a script. You need the variables, save it, execute it, then you will get the answer 7. So advantages of Python we have discussed in this video. I told you the windows of Python, the extension of a Python file. These are very important things. So are you ready to be a programmer? If yes, then watch these videos minimum twice to understand the importance, the advantages of Python and what is the programming language discussed in the previous video. Thank you.